Hi guys, my name is Chin. Here is my student ID card. In this video, I'd like to share my research on weight losses methods 1, the HCG diet. So what is HCG diet? Human chorionic gonadotropin is the natural method that's discovered by Albert Simmons as weight losses method in 1954. Basically, it is found in female pregnancy. It is the element naturally occurred hormone made by placenta. The purpose of HCG is mainly providing the nutritional environment for unborn baby. HCG has two requirements, which are the patient could only eat approximately 500 calories per day and is using injection method. The duration of the diet should be around 4 to 6 weeks, and then the doctor will decide the patient whether or not to continue the diet. So what can they eat during the HCG treatment? So as the requirement of the diet is about 500 calories spread into 2 meals. So for example, they could only eat lean meat like white meat, for example, chicken breast, fish, approved vegetable and foods, and unlimited water. In this table, I will suggest the patient to eat cooked chicken breast, spinach, apple with skin, breadstick, lemon water. That will meet the 500 calorie requirement. Here I will recommend some physical activities for this diet. As this diet required less calories consumed and the daily energy consumed is around 500 calories, thus less exercise is required due to less energy consumed. For instance, short walk is recommended. We are not recommended strenuous exercise when we taking HCG diet because we are absorbed relative low energy in our daily diet. A digestion process could be divided to 4 parts in order to transforming food to provide energy and nutrient to our body. Those 4 parts are: the first goes through intestinal tract for transforming foods. Second, the pancreas, gallbladders, and levy for providing digestive juice for breaking down the food. Third part is enzymes, hormones, nerves, and blood. They are mainly focused for break down the food, regulate the digestion system, and delivered final products. And then the last part is mesentery. It's holding and fixing the whole digestive system. Okay, first of all, our mouth has started to salivate without touching any food. We will produce around 1.5 liters salivate a day. Then we are putting the food into our mouth, chewing combined with salivate to turn food into bolus. The enzymes of salivate will break down the starch of foods. After that, the bolus will down from esophagus to reach our stomach. The stomach will split the food into small pieces. This process will trigger the stomach wall and to secrete the gastric acts and enzymes. Also, this will dissolve foods and break down protein and make pancreas, gambit, and levy produce digestive juice. After 3 hours, it will become a chairman and move to small intestine. Meanwhile, levy will transform the bile to gambit. Furthermore, they will all move to Judaism. It mainly for dissolve fat into fatty acids and cholesterol for easy absorption. Simultaneously, enzymes will break down protein to amino acids and carbohydrates to glycerol for provide nutrient and energy. Lastly, the residual fiber, water, and dead cells will become stew and excretion. The whole process will take around 30 to 40 hours to complete. The food we eat is broken down and converted to glucose. Insulin will help our body to store extra glucose. Glucose will store in the levy and muscle, and insulin will store fat and protein. The HCG diet will have effect on normal metabolism. As the injection will increase the metabolism, it will burn more calories, therefore, it will lead to weight loss. The injection do not have any impact on lean muscle and highly likely increase the metabolism. The HCG weight losses method has more bogus than merit. This method may have the weight losses result in short term. However, after stopping this diet or injection will have weight rebound. As the requirement, patient to have only 500 calories absorbed a day, there will be not enough energy for supporting whole day activities. The daily activities requirement for adults range from 1,600 to 3,000 calories. Also, the FDA mentioned that this method is not allowed for sale purpose. That means this is not regulated by FDA. Moreover, there are not clinical training or study to support this is the useful method. It is mainly used for fertility issue. Furthermore, the HCG method has potential side effects or likely to cause disease. For example, they will lead to headache, feeling restless, depression, etc. Whereas there are more serious effects such as heart muscle irritable and likely to sudden death. In conclusion, this method is not healthy way on weight losses due to not regulate on it, and it may bring side effects or even serious effects on human body. It is not sustainable method as it only allowed 500 calories absorption daily.